Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is a friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is a monthly reading for Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi for the month of September 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energy, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check out the signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Aquarius or Kumbh Rashi for the month of September 2025. So Aquarius, I see there could be a person involved here. Okay. There could be a person involved here. This person could be Aries or Leo or a Sagittarius. But there is definitely a person who is very charming, who is very, very charismatic. So this person is there in your life currently. This could also mean you, but in most cases, this is a different person. A person who could be, like a very leadership kind of person, a leader basically, who is also very charming, who is very mature, and the energy that surrounds you, or the energy that is around you, is the Four of Swords. So there is definitely a need for you to take things slow, to get some rest, to heal yourself. So yeah, overall I see that with the person that is there in your life, with the Queen of Wands as the theme for your month, so most of your month will revolve around this person, and the universe is kind of asking you to take things slow with this person, not rush into things, uh, gain some insights as you go along, but you need to take things slow with this person. And for some of you, this could just mean taking rest. Overall, that's like energy around you signifies you need to heal yourself, you need to take some rest, you need to take some time off for yourself. Now, when it comes to your career and finances, good energies that with the Ace of Cups, I see new beginnings. I see, like, if there is something that you have wanted to start, or something that you felt emotionally driven, this is a sign that things are going to start, things are going to go in your way, and you are going to get success. There is definitely new beginning, and also three aces. So I would say definitely new beginning in a lot of sectors. We'll see. We'll get into the cards. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, आपने बहुत एफर्ट्स दिया है आपके लव एंड रिलेशनशिप्स को लेके. आपने लाइक ऐसा भी मोमेंट आया होगा जब आपको लगा होगा कि यार मैं अकेले ही एफर्ट्स दिए जा रहा हूँ, उस तरफ से तो कुछ लाइक रिप्लाई आ नहीं रहा है, बट इतना ज़्यादा एफर्ट दिया है कि आपके ऊपर उसका इफेक्ट होना शुरू हो गया. सो वैसा वाला एनर्जीज है. सो योर रिलेशनशिप और योर रोमांस मे हैव फेल्ट लाइक ए बर्डन फॉर मैनी ऑफ यू, एंड दिस हैज टेकन अ टोल अपॉन यू. इफेक्ट तो किया होगा आपको, मेंटली फिजिकली आपको इफेक्ट किया ही होगा वो चीज़. Now, when it comes to your health, I see good health, I see progress, I see you taking control of your health and improving it further. And I also see you trying to find ways, trying to find means in which you can improve your health, which is a very good sign. So, yeah, overall health wise, very good energies. Also, I would suggest for like people who are going through a lot, do take a vacation, do go traveling, do take a break, and if you can, do visit a beach or a seaside area, or anything that is related to water. A water body, basically visit a water body, and this will help you a lot to improve your mental health, to even improve your physical health. So go traveling, go hiking, go trekking. This will obviously have a very good impact on your health. Now the other energies, like see, there is commotion involved, there is competition involved, there are other people involved. कलेश तो है, honestly speaking, कलेश होगा लोगों के साथ, that egos का एक clash होगा लोगों के साथ, but I definitely see you being the victorious one. Success आप ही को मिलेगा वो चीज़ पे, जो भी चीज़ लेके competition है, कलेश है, conflict है, आपको ही मिलने वाला है वो victory. So you, and also clarity भी मिलने वाला है आपको वो चीज़ को लेके. So good energies overall, and the energy that you should focus upon is the King of Wands. So slowly but surely you need to take this relationship to the next level. हड़बड़ी में मत कीजिए, बस slowly कीजिए वो चीज़ को. So yeah, let's look at what messages or advice is coming for you this month from the Oracle cards. Invite help. Invite the divine to pursue you seriously. Just say, I'm finally ready, pursue me. So this is high time. You need to ask the divine, the universe for help, and let it come into your life so that things can get sorted. So universe या divine की तरफ नमन कीजिए और help आपको वहीं से मिलेगा. So that would be all for the reading, Aquarius. I hope you like the reading. If the reading resonated with you, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.